Hey, it's Gron here and welcome back to this latest video, and welcome and a big hello to my latest subscribers. Today I'm going to be continuing my series of videos around making money online, but today specifically focusing on YouTube. I'm going to be looking through some tips, tricks, some of the ways that I gain revenue by using YouTube, and that will help you along to make a decent revenue stream. But before I start, and as always, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comments down below. I do try to reply to as many as I can. But that's enough waffling from me. Let's get straight on with this video. Before I get into the nuts and bolts of this, first thing is a couple of disclosures really, just to be completely open and honest about this video. Number one, I'm not a YouTube sensation or a YouTube millionaire. Clearly, I'm not wearing some fancy designer t-shirt. I'm not got a Lamborghini in the garage. And I'm not going around doing crazy challenges for people, and I'm not a household name, so I'm not a YouTube millionaire. But this video comes from a good place where you can make good money. Number two, this is not a paid ad. I'm not pushing one particular service, product, site, or piece of software. This is really based on my experience, my expectations, and I'm not being paid by anybody to do this. Having said that, there are some affiliate links and some services that I'll talk about, and I'll say through an affiliate link and I get a small commission or kickback for that service. Number three, everything I'm going to talk about here generally is either free to use or a free piece of software. I don't believe in having to pay fortunes or invest in an opportunity to try and make money. Let's make this a low cost way and low cost entry point to start making money. The first point I really want to cover here is being realistic. There are tons and tons of videos on YouTube that have got tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of views on YouTube about how to get rich quick using YouTube. For me, there isn't a get rich quick system on YouTube, and it's about being realistic. I do appreciate though, if your video goes viral, you get 1, 2, 3 million views, you can earn a good amount of money. But for, let's say 90% of us, that doesn't happen. And what it's about is creating good content that means something to your audience, that's in a particular niche if you can do, growing that audience and posting on a regular basis, daily, weekly, monthly, and growing the revenue that way. And that takes some kind of hard work and determination. So that's really what I want to say to you as a first point. But let's get through to the actual ways that you can make money. And the first one is clearly the YouTube ad revenue. So clearly one of the easiest ways is to start serving ads or posting ads, having ads on your YouTube videos, which is the easiest way to make money. So there is a set of criteria for that. So once you've got your YouTube channel, you don't have to have millions of subscribers and millions of views. Your set criteria to monetize YouTube is you need 1,000 subscribers, which sounds like a lot, but after posting some videos, that is quite easy to get to. Once you've reached that 1-200, which seems an initial huge slog, you then start to see what all hope for you is a steady increase. And over and above that, just checking the stats here, you need 4,000 hours watched hours, or convert that into minutes, which I think is about, if I do a maths right, 240,000, let's say 250,000 watched minutes, which sounds like a lot. But if you've got a video that's 10, 15 minutes long, you take that down, actually it is kind of achievable. Again, going back to realistic and some realisms based on here, then I wouldn't expect your first video you post, obviously one, you couldn't serve ads because you wouldn't have 1,000 subscribers. And at that point you wouldn't have 4,000 viewed hours. But if you keep churning away at posting your videos, then you can monetize your channel. And for me, I would say within a 4 to 6 month period, then you could quite easily monetize your channel. And in terms of the revenue, it varies between different niches and your audiences. However, it's around £2, I would say, there or thereabouts, $2, because it pays you in dollars, $2 per CPM, which is per 1,000 views or per 1,000 views of the video. So if you take into account something like 250,000 views, then a month, then you should get somewhere around $500. I'm UK based, so for me that would give me around 360 to £400. How it monetizes, you apply for that via YouTube, They come back to you, they check that the channel meets their criteria, they authorize you, and then you set your account up and you link that to Google AdSense. So really simple process. Get your channel subscribers up there, start posting videos, start making content, get those 1,000 subscribers, get the quarter of a million minutes, which is about 4,000 hours, and then turn on your monetization. Also as well, which is really key, which I completely forgot about, and I've only recently added to my channel in the last couple of months, is once your video is, or you post a video that's got 10 or so minutes of viewable time, rather than having a video, a non-skippable and a skippable video, can't even say those words, you can place a video in the middle of your content. So you can put at certain intervals videos through your content, which increases the revenue. If you think at the moment you've got one at the start and one at the end, 2 different times that you can gain revenue, you can also put one in the middle. If you've got 20-minute video, I think you can have 2 in there. 30-minute video, you can have 3 in there. And that obviously increases the chance of you gaining revenue. I've recently done that on some of my videos, which are 10 minutes plus, and I've seen my YouTube revenue go up by 32%. 33% this month alone. So really important, once you've got monetized, try and create videos that are over 10 minutes long, and then put those videos, halfway or partway through your content or videos as well. So affiliate marketing is a huge way to make money on your YouTube videos. And why is that? And what is an affiliate marketing or affiliate deal? So an affiliate deal is where you're selling essentially someone's product or service on their behalf. So you will sign up to their service either directly. So I'm working with a company called merchinformer.com. And if I do make any sales through their website, through my affiliate link, which I will link down below, then I'll get a commission from that. And that can range anything from 1 or 2% up to 40. And they pay me via PayPal, and I make some money from that. The good thing about those types of services are that you can get a recurring monthly revenue from that. So if it's a subscription-based model, which is something like web hosting, or a subscription service like Merchinformer, SEMrush, or any online marketing tools, where the customer, which could be yourself, is paying on a monthly basis, then you constantly are getting revenue month on month, year on year, which as it grows can start to grow up to or start be earning quite a bit of money. The other way to do that in affiliate marketing is to look at a platform where you sign up to one platform or service, and it opens you up to several affiliates, and you can go through and look at which ones you want to promote. Those are companies like maxbounty.com in America or internationally. Here in the UK, we have systems or platforms like Affiliate Window, Paid On Results, and WebGains, where you just sign up to one platform. It opens you up to many merchants. You can look at what you want to promote, what's relevant to your audience or your niche if you're in America, or something that you feel you can relate to and make good content on, and you can earn a good amount of commission off the back of that. Brand deals are also a good one. So this one, as I said to you from the start of the video, isn't a paid for promotion. And I have had offers to make pay videos, but it kind of goes against what I want to do, because I want to be completely independent and impartial. But what you will find is when you start getting a decent subscriber level, over 2,000, 3,000, you will find companies actually reaching out to you. I've had 3 people in the last week or so, companies that have reached out to me asking if I would help promote their product, either on a paid for basis, which I haven't entertained, or they have an affiliate deal, again, which I spoke to you just previously about, which is absolutely fine if it's not an affiliate deal for me. So once you've got a decent subscriber base, or you've got one particular video which resonates with that particular company's audience, or it's got a high number of views, what I would highly, highly, highly suggest is at the bottom of all your videos in the description, is just to add an email address for yourself. And just put something very, very simple like, for further inquiries, you don't have to put advertising or brand or affiliate, for further inquiries or corporate inquiries, please email and put your email address, and you will find people do reach out to you. Also, another place to put it, which is really key, is in your about section or your welcome on your YouTube channel. So when people are going on the homepage, they want to look around, They read a bit about you, then put your email address there, and you will find once you start getting the subscribers, people will start to reach out to you and offering you affiliate commissions, brand deals, or pay for promotions. Merchandise is a great way to make money, and again, it's almost like the affiliate thing. You can make recurring revenues all the time because you'll get a certain amount of people that will buy from you, merchandising things like, you know, caps, tops, bottles, hoodies, sweatshirts. And the thing is, you can obviously put a range of products together and you can expand that range over time. You can announce that range within your videos and that will resonate with your audience and hopefully gain you more sales. Unfortunately, you do have to have a decent kind of following to start looking at merchandise. At my level, I've got a few thousand subscribers. I don't think anyone's going to entertain buying a brand or a merchandise from my channel. But there are some great examples of this. A channel that I follow is Unspeakable, a guy in America who does some crazy challenges around Hot Wheels, and my twins absolutely love it. And he's got some great products on there. Sharers, which I think is Share the Love, or Stephen Sharer, he's got a great range as well. And how you do this, if you just Google print on demand, there's quite a few services out there where you don't have to have a warehouse, you don't have to have stock, you're not printing it yourself. A print on demand service is essentially where they do all the work for you. You sign up for that service, you put the merchandise on the platform, so you select, I want to sell some t-shirts or some pens or some mugs. You upload your logo, your brand logo, or a phrase or a picture that's relevant to your channel or a particular video. They then give you the cost price, so let's say it's $12 for the hoodie, including delivery, and then you can add your own profit level. So let's say $25 would be applicable for a hoodie. So you get it at $12, for example, you add your $13 on top, which gives the customer the $25 value, and you're making $13 a sale. That adds up quite nicely, because if you've got t-shirts and a range of products on there, it doesn't take a genius to work out. If you're selling 1 or 2 products a day, that can be earning you $50, $60, $70, over $100 a day just in merchandise. And the good thing about that is it's recurring revenue almost. It's not guaranteed, but you can go back to your previous videos, add links to your merchandise, you can add it on the latest videos, and every time you drop some new merchandise, you can make sure you announce that on your channel, on your video, and within the description. So you're constantly flowing new merchandise to your audience. I hope you found those tips and tricks and ideas really valuable. And just to recap, YouTube ad revenue, which is a really great idea. You need to get that monetization revenue, or that monetization guidelines and threshold to start monetizing. Look at affiliate marketing. There's nothing to stop you signing up for some platforms today before you even started your YouTube channel or before you've got your monetization in place. Brand deals, very simple. Set yourself an email address, put it on all your videos, put it on your about section on your YouTube channel. And merchandise is something you can really start to look at now. Again, if you haven't got a large subscriber or audience base, then you probably won't sell a lot, but there's nothing to stop you starting your merchandising now, because it doesn't cost you a penny, or signing up for the service and starting to get a plan in place. So really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.